Why affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing offers people a proven business model that when done properly can be extremely lucrative and highly automated. With no need for product creation, transaction processing, customer service, inventory, order fulfillment, staff or business premises, it really is a business model that can be started quickly and on a shoestring budget. If you stay to the end, I shall give you access to the ultimate guide to starting your business at absolutely zero cost. But don't let the low-cost, low-risk elements put you off the potential earnings on offer. Companies like Uber and Airbnb are affiliate-based business models and very lucrative. Comparison sites are affiliate businesses earning revenue through the people that click through and go on to buy a product or service after comparing. Affiliate marketing can also be as simple as somebody posting a product review on YouTube with their affiliate link in the video description. Costs zero. So if you're looking to build another income stream, affiliate marketing is a proven option. There's a problem though. 96% of affiliate marketers fail. How can this be if affiliate marketing is such a simple and low-risk business model? The simplicity, low cost, and easy startup mean that there is a tidal wave of people starting. Most without any real plan. No proven strategy, plan, or products to promote. But affiliate marketing is a simple model. Traffic and conversion. Traffic are people looking to move away from pain or towards pleasure. Conversion, the process of helping those people get what they want while earning yourself an affiliate commission. Put another way, it's about connecting people with a need for a solution. Become a solution provider or show people where they can get the result they want. Guide the way. Your job as an affiliate is to help people get the results they want. Without a clear plan, it can become complicated unless you know what you are doing. You will find either of the challenges below. You may choose a strategy that takes time to create the content for free methods. Money if you've chosen to pay to get your message out there. Most people simply give up before they break through if they go the free route, or they run out of money if they go the paid route. But there are solutions if you look hard enough. Here's what's working for me, and I see no reason why it won't work for you too. A working affiliate business system. In its simplest form, is a process that connects people looking to move away from pain or towards pleasure. Put another way, connects people looking for a result with where they can get it. The connection made using your affiliate link, so you get paid, right? Before sharing the system my mentor used to turn his and so many other affiliate fortunes round, I need to illustrate one critical point. My system is for people like you looking to build a robust affiliate income that doesn't require looking after clients, e-commerce, or endless content creation. For me, a lifestyle business to supplement our income, a fun, legit side hustle. Results from following a system. Results from sending people interested in a topic to a system that delivers it. The formula is simple. All I did was send traffic to the offer. The best affiliate program that I shall introduce to you in a moment. Not all affiliate offers are created equal. I am going to give you access to my mentor's masterclass that will give you a leg over everyone else right now. You will learn how to choose and identify the juicy offers. You will learn how to promote and make money fast. You will learn how to automate the whole process so as to focus on scaling. Access the masterclass right now.